Hi guys, welcome to this summer haul. The summer items I purchased on Shein are first this dress, which is just fell off, sorry. I think it's really cute and colourful. It's like this poppy summer dress, it's all in different colours. I just thought this would be perfect for a nice hot summer's day. It's a nice floaty and airy and I absolutely love the colours. It's really bright and vibrant, so I thought this would look really nice with a tan. The next item is this set, so it's a matching skirt, like crop top and long like bodycon skirt. I just thought this would be really cute on a nice hot summer's day, or I thought this would just look really actually nice on holiday as well. I just think it's a very like holiday look, so yeah. That's another, they were brought together and they were set. I also purchased another summer dress from Shein. It's just this light pink one. I just thought this was really nice and floaty through, and it's really warm. And I liked how it's got a bit of a scoop neck there, so yeah, just thought this would be perfect for walking around when it's really, you know, on a hot summer's day. In this, so it's South Dakota, and get like in this off-white cream colour, so it's a crop top, and it's more the, instead of being a bodycon, this is like a more floaty maxi skirt. Just thought this looked really, I thought it screamed holiday, and I just thought it looked really nice. It would be really nice and floaty for the warmer days, you know, like the warmer summer days, so yeah. I've also recently made a couple of purchases from the thrift shop, so this is, sorry, it still has a label on it. It was originally from Shein, but this was £8, so I purchased this for £1 at the thrift shop. I thought it'd be good for the summer, to like match it with some of the little, like, you know, I thought it might look nice with, I know it's a matching set, but I thought they wanted to change the blouse, it looked nice with one of the long skirts, so I just think a little cropped top like this just goes with a lot. So yeah, that was £8 from the thrift shop. Another item purchased from the thrift shop, it's brand new with the labels on. It's from neon and nylon. The band is called, and it still had the labels on, so it's brand new. I paid £5, so it's like this purple. It's not purple. It's bright, and the most brightest Barbie pink. This would have been perfect for like when everyone's getting dressed up to go and see the Barbie film. But yeah, got this little chain there. I just think that's a really nice like cardi top. Yeah. The dress, it's from New Look. It's this long, like mid-length dress, and this was about £3 maybe 4. Like I said, so I took the labels off. So yeah, that's another New Look item. I absolutely love the pattern. I just think this would be very nice to walk around in the summer. The last item is this denim jacket. So I love denim jackets. I thought it would look really nice with the long dress. So yeah, that's all the items. I hope you've enjoyed the haul, and I will see you in my next video. Hi guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and please feel free to comment, rate and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.